Children are highly excited at the time of the thunder as they receive small gifts or money from their parents and relatives. Why do we celebrate our New Year? The thunder is the day of new beginnings. People celebrate the festival with joy and hope that the new year will bring new opportunities and faith in their lives. This day is celebrated by communities with neat flowers and floral mangoes to symbolize growth and prosperity. Each new year we shall cultivate new and noble qualities as well as controlling our desires. What is the inner significance of Tamil New Year? Swami says on New Year Day is to hunt to make sweet, sour ambitions and eat them, which is to indicate that joy and sorrow have nutrition and quality. It is the time to taste the delicacy and the heart that tastes love. The taste of love is fearless, which is sweeter than even nectar. Love alone can match love. God is love, love is God, yes we love. What is the importance of celebrating festivals? Festivals are important as they unite families and friends and mark significant events within religions around the world. They emphasize the importance of remembering traditions set from hundreds of years ago. Festivals and holy days are intended to celebrate the birth of avatars and to mark the destruction of evil and wicked forces and the restoration of what is good. Spiritually, auspiciousness serves as a silent reminder to everyone of the need to move to higher and higher planes of consciousness and from darkness to light. Swami says every second is the birth of the year. Every second is life issue. Thus there is no particular fantasy about the beginning or ending of the year. The time and date is not cause of your happiness and misery. Your own karma action in the past is to be both your happiness and misery. When actions performed by you are proper and pure, you will get good results. There are many people in the world in great distress.
Prayer is the only remedy for the removal of such misery. There is nothing in the world that cannot be achieved by prayer. Prayer melts the hardest of hearts. Samasta loka sukhino bhavantu. May all the living beings of all the worlds have peace and happiness. Do not pray for the welfare of your family, friends, and relatives alone. Such narrow-minded prayers are futile. Your prayers should be for the welfare of the entire world. Give up selfishness